Today is the day we purchased our very first bike. We're taking a grab bike to our relative's house in District 11 who will be helping us out. Being on the back of a grab helped us mentally gear up for the exciting bike purchase that awaited us. Once we arrived at our relative's place, they spoiled us with a steaming bowl of pho, delivered straight from a nearby restaurant. Unfortunately, we didn't capture much footage during this time, as we were fully immersed in the genuine moments shared.
So right now we're just looking at buying a motorbike. This one is Honda Lead. So it's gonna just quickly hose it down, freshen it up a little bit. He's gonna sell it to us for 8.5 mil. If we keep it in good condition, the buyback price is pretty much less 1 mil. But if there's any damages or any faults, it's less 2 mil. So that's pretty good. First bike, how do you feel?
Excited but nervous, but it looks like I can drive it. Look, little girls can drive it, I can drive it.
So 8 mil works out to be around 400 or 500 Australian dollars, so it's quite cheap to get a second-hand bike. We don't need anything brand new, just something that gets us from A to B, and that's pretty much what we're looking for. Just to give some perspective, it costs around 150,000 dong for 1 day to hire. So if you calculate that out and you're hiring it for more than 3 months, it's definitely more worth it to buy it, because all up, even after buyback, you pay around 1 million dong, which is the equivalent of having a bike rented for 10 days. So for 10 days rent, you get it for long term, which is so much better.
I'm so scared. I'm more scared of them telling me off and stuff than losing my phones.
Telling you off? Oh.
They're like, "No, careful.
Oh, yeah.
Careful when you're holding out your phone." But yeah, got Tao's sister to help us out with getting the bike. So this is a friend that they know. So they're gonna really look after us, take care of us, and give us a good price and cleaning out the moment and everything. So we'll be off with a new bike very soon. I'm gonna learn how to ride it. Gavin got his first bike. Right now we're going to get a helmet for both of us. So this helmet that we're going to get is going to be very suitable for when we ride outside of the city, because it's legally we need a helmet that's going to protect us for when we go outside of the city, when we have to ride at a bit more faster pace. So that's the type of helmet we're going to go get now. We're navigating through these back streets, through these houses, away from the main road, which feels like a maze because it's all turning and leading to some strange streets. Sometimes you don't know whether it continues or sometimes it's just a dead end like we ended up earlier. Oh, this one looks a bit more clearer. Must be the main road of the alleyway. Park here. Look, I don't know if you can park here. I don't want to just park in random places. Alright, we made it to our first stop. Oh, we're getting takoyaki balls. What do you want? So you want cheese, octopus? You want 2 boxes?
4.
One box has 4.
Oh, okay.
So otherwise, oh, both 30k. It's a combo. Why did you choose to eat this one first?
Because yesterday when we landed, as we're driving, I was like, oh, 25,000 for, I think, 8 balls. Well, that's really good price. So I just had this craving of takoyaki balls. Haven't had it in a while. And as we drove past, I'm like, oh shit, look, this place selling takoyaki balls. I didn't really get to see a good view of what the price was or how many balls you're gonna get. But I mean, that bit is good enough for me. So
What's that, babe?
special.
Hurry up, Gavin. So we're in here. TKY. Oh, come on.
Okay,
How's it?
I'll let you know. Hot.
Does it taste better than Sydney?
Yeah.
Can you taste the cheese?
Chewy. Very chewy. That's really good.
Is it really hot? It looks really hot. Oh wait.
So that creaminess is filled with cheesiness as well. Now like this creamy cheesy sort of mixture, this concoction of octopus and octopus fish flakes. Yeah, it's pretty good with cheese. I like it.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, it should be made with cheese.
Every time. I think
Every
it
time.
should.
So makes it less gooey. Solidifies the goo a little bit. But yeah, all in all, I rate it. It's pretty good. She's doing it. She's doing it. She's in the city. In the traffic. Oh my god. Only 1 hour into her learning lesson and she's already started driving in big city. Wow.
We found a way out of this maze through these houses because we deviated from the main road. So it's a little game that we're trying to find our way out of this maze.
That's one of the most